Hello, Survey of Math students. I am going to film 7.3 Basic Counting Principles. And we've done a little bit about this already with Venn diagrams and the addition principle. Looking at number 1, it says, suppose the only animals in a small pet shop are 5 cats and 8 dogs. How many animals are in the pet shop? So we're going to be counting, and I know that's pretty basic. I'm going to put it in a Venn diagram first. So I've already gotten this prepared. And I have created a rectangle which represents universal set, C for cats, D for dogs. And you always start in the middle. So how many cat dogs are there? There aren't any. You have 5 cats, so that's what goes here. And you have 8 dogs. And because they have no intersection, you can actually draw these like this, separate, and they are called disjoint sets if they have no intersection. Now, we're supposed to say how many are in there. All you have to do is take 5 plus 8 and get 13, and see that there are 13 pets in this pet shop. Now, looking at number 2, it says, suppose in a class there are 10 math majors and 8 physics majors. 3 of these students are both math and physics majors. How many students are in the class? So I got this ready. I've got M for math, P for physics. 3 are both math and physics. 10 are math and 8 are physics. So there's an overlap here, and that is what goes here. So the ones that are both, we're going to put right here, 3. And then we start filling out what goes in the math. Now, we can't put 10 here because 3 are already counted, so we put 7 here, and when we add those, we get the 10 math majors. And physics, in order to get the 8, I need a 5 here. And since this is only math and physics in our set, there's nothing outside of that set. And let's see how many we have. 7 plus 3 plus 5 will give us the number of, I'll put it over here, 7 plus 3 is, what is that, 10, 25? Whoops, let's try that again. We get 15. 7 plus 3 plus 5, I was thinking of the result, is 15. So the answer is 15. Now, the third one, a little more complicated, says, according to a survey of business firms in a certain city, 750 firms offer their employees health insurance, 640 offer dental insurance, and 280 offer both. How many firms offer their employees health or dental insurance? And we'll talk a little bit about that word or. So I've got my Venn diagram here. Health, dental, says 750 offer health, 640 dental, and both is 280. So that's what goes here, is 280. And now here, in order to do health, this has to add to 750. So I took my calculator out and subtracted, and I got 470 here. So that's just taking 750 minus 280. Now for my dental, that has to add up to 640 in here. So take 640 and subtract, and you get 360. And now to figure out the answer, which is an or statement up here. How many firms offer their employees health or dental or both? So that is going to be this set. Now, I want to refer, I put up at the top of the page something to keep in mind, that the intersection has this look, the union has this look, and the complement has this look. And I wrote the word and for intersection, or for union, and complement is that representation. So down here, it's asking for how many are in, it says or, offer both. Okay, in the real world we would say both, in the math world we say or. So we're going to take the 470 plus 280 plus 360 to answer that question. And that adds up to 1110. All right, and what we have to be careful of is not double counting. I'll be back for the addition principle.